What's up guys, it's Tommy here. Today I'm going to show you some simple and easy and sexy dance moves that you can do when you are on the dance floor at the club or at the bar or wherever. So when you are dancing on a dance floor, hopefully if it's a good club, it'll be packed, there'll be people around you, which means, you can't go for big dance moves and big swings, and you can't have all that arms swinging about and legs swinging about because you're probably gonna hit somebody, get kicked out. So I'm gonna show you some moves that you can do in a relatively tight space. I'm talking like moves that won't require you to take more than one step out, okay? So let me share with you some concepts. I want to call them concepts and not actually dance moves, because more or less I want you to understand what to do and then you put your own flavor to it. You put your own style to it. Here's the first concept for you. When you're on the dance floor, try a step and a bounce movement, okay? So you can step out anywhere you like, step, and then bounce, okay? On the beat, that's really important. Don't miss the bounce with the beat. Otherwise that will look bad. So you step and you bounce. Up, step, bounce, step, bounce, step, bounce. And you can just sit into this one, do it however you like. You can do it real chilled. You know what I'm saying? Just little steps and then bounce at the beat, because this is better than just standing there and not knowing what to do. You can step, bounce, step, bounce, step, bounce, step, boom, step, and point, step, flex, step, oh, yeah, bring it in, hey, step, hey, hey, you can go a bit wider with the move if you want. You can step, bounce, step, bounce, step, bounce, step, bounce. You can travel forward with it, travel back with it. So, like I said, you can just keep it simple, okay? So that's the first concept, the step and the bounce, okay? Now, moving on to the second concept, I'm going to show you is just a slight variation on the first one, just a different pattern. So now, this time, I want you to try step, step, bounce, bounce, yeah? Step, step, bounce, bounce. That's the pattern. Now, the way that pattern plays out with the club scenario is a little something like this. You can do it chilled, step, step, bounce, bounce, step, step, bounce, bounce. You can go bigger with it. Oh, oh, hey, hey, oh, oh, flex, flex, It's a great way to get attention if you need it, but if it's packed, you can just be cruising. Just keep it easy, focus on the concept. Step, step, bounce, bounce. Step, step, bounce, bounce. And as you do those bounces, you can change up the way you bounce as well. So when you step, step, you can flick your heels out as you bounce, or maybe you can flick them in, So think about which way you can pivot with your heels. As you step, you can cross over, out, out, oh, oh, a, oh, oh, a, step, cross, oh, oh, So like I'm just getting more and more, big step, bounce, bounce, oh, 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 bounce, bounce. It's all about the concept. So like I said, you can really start getting creative with it. Just add your own flavor, just understand the basic pattern of it. Okay, the third pattern we want to look at is